Jason, today we should speak about the differences between first-party data and zero-party data so that people have a little bit of clarity.
Yeah, I want people to understand what ZPD, zero-party data, is. It is the data that consumers intentionally and proactively share with the brand.
So,
What are some of the things that?
yeah, so this is an interesting aspect, right? So when we have our members on Tartle, right, millions of them, they are proactively building these data vaults of their information, things that companies currently do not have. And they can choose, they can select the characteristic on that data to say, I want to share this information. You got to pay me for it, but I want to share it. So everything you're going in there sourcing, it's just pure zero-party data coming from all of them. Now, the other really cool, interesting aspect about Tartle, which has been a massive unlock, right, is how we also blend in first-party data. Now, typically in a world where company A and company B share the same customer, they don't share the same insights.
Yes, exactly.
Because in first-party data, as you know, the consumer, whoever the person may be, as they interact with that brand or that business is then generating data, right? They're building this first-party profile as you are interacting with their products or services. So how is first-party data now defined?
First-party data, FPD, is the data collected directly from your audience through their interactions with your brand's own channels. Maybe it's a CRM, maybe it's an app, maybe it's a website. It includes demographics, purchase history, on-site behavior. What I kind of want to let's take ZPD and FPD and make an example so people can understand. So let's say you're a global consumer brand and you want to work with Tartle.
Yes.
And you have curiosities of maybe it's a drink or something like that, and you want to go to Indonesia, you want to go into Australia, and you want to go into Canada. How would that operation work?
Yeah, super cool. So like when brands come with us and say, hey, we have this idea of people we want to engage with. And we're like, okay, well, tell us a little bit about the characteristics of the people you want to engage with. Is it with your current members that you have? Do you want them using Tartle technology so you can unlock those insights? Or do you want us to use our own member base, right? And then having that own member base, do you want them to then share those insights back with the brand because you've never interacted with those people before? So it's either fresh people or individuals that you are currently engaged with but can't get enough of that information out of them. Now, with the zero-party data, the most important aspect about this that brands get when working with Tartle is intention.
Yes.
No, being able to garner from somebody what they intend to do and then observe them. And through your observation, did they do what they said they were going to do? That is your greatest measurement tool.
Yes.
That helps you de-risk almost everything in your business. And it tells you how to also engage and interact with these people. That unique delta between, hey, Jason, I told you I'm going to do this, and hey, Jason, this is what I actually did from you observing me.
Yes.
Does that tell you a lot about my character?
Yes.
Correct. Now, here's one of the other major unlocks now as the brands not only looking at ZPD, zero-party data, but they go into FPD, first